Willkommen zum Deutschkurs. My name is Sabine Robertson, and I'm going to be your German instructor for this semester for German. And I would like to give you a quick overview on how to use the platform, especially if you're new to Georgia Virtual. It's a little difficult sometimes to get started and know where to find items. So this is your homepage when you log into German. Some of you might be in AB, some of you are in German 1A. Depending on the class you are, you go and click on your course, and the platform pretty much looks the same for everyone. On your right side, you will find my information, my name, how to contact me, my email, my office hours. If you click here, you get a little welcome message, and of course down here you click and you can shoot me an email. On the top of your screen, you can reach me via email. If you want to have an instant response, the email is the best way to reach me, because if I'm not by my computer, I will be able to respond to you immediately. But you can also reach me by sending me a text message. So up here are your ways to contact me. Or of course, you can also call me if you have a question and that you really need to get answered right away. So let's take a look at some of the other items on this homepage. The first thing is your classroom bulletin board. Of course, if you are new to Georgia Virtual, the most important thing is that you create your Georgia Virtual email by clicking right here. And that is the only way I will communicate with you, is through the Georgia Virtual email. So please check that daily. The next thing you need to do is go down to the course information. Depending on the course you're in, 18, 16, 14, or 12 week, you want to click on the link and download your class schedule and syllabus. During the orientation, I will go a little bit more over how to use the syllabus. So make sure you attend our welcome chat on Tuesday after you have access to the class at 6 o'clock, or watch the recording. The next thing you need to do is have your parents sign the handbook acknowledge form and upload it into the Dropbox. And then you need to, of course, access your course material. Down here is the link how to access our live chat every Tuesday at 6 o'clock by clicking right here. And then down here are news items that I'm recording. So this is how you can get some help on doing your recordings. Down here is a welcome message, and then I have also the newsletter that you can click on. And I'm going to go and hit refresh right here, but you may have to click on it and allow to view this way. And when you go through the newsletter, there is some important information and helpful information that could also help you with this class. So the next thing I wanted to show you real quickly is how to find your course content. Over here is the assessment tab, and if you pull down the pull down menu, there is a tab for discussion, Dropbox, grades, and quizzes, and that's where you turn in and submit your assignments. Over here is the course material. You have a checklist that you can use, but you want to go and access the content. Here's your overview, your course schedule, your table of contents, introduction to Georgia Virtual courses, and of course, here is where it starts, the foundation of German language. This would be your unit 1. As you see, you have the top link is going to give you the entire content, and then down here are the individual assignments that you are responsible for. And those are all outlined in your course syllabus. So let's just take a quick look at the content. So this is kind of your German book. This is your class book. So you see how you have your pages, and it is your responsibility to read every page. The first page is kind of telling you what you're learning. Don't forget to take a look at the right side. The blue link is going to give you some links that are very important that you could use. There's usually more resources, and For Unit 2, 3, 4, 5, there's actually vocabulary handouts you can print out and use. So as you're going through the units, your course schedule, of course, outlines what assignment you should be turning in. So here's your first assignment. On page 2, you're supposed to introduce yourself. So you're going to go and go to the discussion tab, and you're going to introduce yourself. And that would be your first assignment, which is graded. And then as you go through the pages, you're going to have activities that you need to do. So here's your German alphabet. And then this is how you pronounce the German alphabet. And you have these pages that are helping you how to do the pronunciation. So you click on them, and as you see, the sound is not working right now, but here is the letters of the alphabet, how to pronounce it. And then over here on the right hand side, you have a handout, you have more resources, and then you keep going through the pages and just complete the assignments. Please know to ask me for any help. Based on your syllabus, you have the first week, there are no assignments due, but I strongly encourage you to go ahead and start turning them in so I can grade them and provide you some feedback. And if I see that you missed the directions, or maybe you have something missing in your assignment, I will grade it and allow you to resubmit it before due date. Once the due date is reached, I will not allow you to resubmit the assignment. So it is your best interest to go ahead and turn those assignments in early. Again, good luck. I'm here to help you. Please ask me if you have any questions.